Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you all to the investiture ceremony of session 2020-21. We have not wings, we cannot soar, but we have feet to scale and climb. By slow degrees, by more and more, the cloudy summit of our time. These words by H.W. Longfellow are indeed true, and all the students who will be invested today have reached here by their sheer determination and single-mindedness. They have gone through many rigorous rounds of interviews and proved their mettle, each a leader in his or her own right. Leaders translate dreams into reality, vision into action. This holds true for our Director Principal, Ms. Aditi Mishra. Her knowledge and experience is our treasure chest. She is our role model and guide, empowering us to flow with the tide. She motivates us to explore our potential and reach for the stars. We request our Director Principal, Ms. Aditi Mishra, to address the gathering.
Namaskar, dear parents and students of the junior school. It's a very proud day today when we have the investiture ceremony, investing our young students with positions of authority, importance and responsibility. It's not been very easy for us in these unusual times, and at one thought we maybe thought of not having any posts. But that seemed a little wrong because children are working hard, children have to learn to adapt, and if this is the new normal, so be it. We will adapt to the new normal and make the best of whatever time we have in whatever way we can. So I'm sure you are aware and you've been sending me lovely mails about how happy you are with the online classes and how the teachers have made every attempt to ensure that the learning and teaching is happening in the most normal, most usual way possible, except that it's online. I'm confident that you all know that this would not have been easy for the teachers to reach out to her children online, not be able to see them, not be able to talk to them face to face, not to be able to give them a hug when required, has not been easy either for the children or the teacher. And yet we must adapt. And in that sense, I think today teachers have shown themselves to be real leaders, to get into a new space, an unfamiliar space of an online education, train themselves to be able to handle this online tool and make the best use possible of whatever gadget, whatever app he or she has. And I must say, the children have also accepted this new normal with a smile and with a ready disposition. How can I forget you, dear parents? If you had not supported us, maybe we would have also not been able to do quite as much as we have managed to do. So as part of doing what we must do, what we have been doing all these years in real time, we thought we must have all our intersection activities, the intersection fun parts, the music, dance, art, PE, everything. And so why should the investiture not be held? So we've involved our students, our ex-students, our alumni, our senior children to come and talk to your children. And it has been very heartwarming for me to see how well my students of class 5 have responded, have answered all the questions posed to them and have really shown that they can think on their feet. It makes me very proud of them. So despite the fact that many students were found to be very, very good, unfortunately there is only one head boy and there is only one head girl, and so the posts are sort of almost pre-decided. My only request to you is that you must teach your child, and we will also be telling them, that the post is not just authority. It is a lot of responsibility. It is a lot of work. It is a lot of role modeling. So everybody will look at them and say, see, this is the head boy of the junior school. This is the head girl of the junior school. This is the school editor. That's the sports captain. And all these posts become important because the child gets to be known a little bit more. And therefore they have to be a little exemplary in their disposition, in their demeanor, in whatever they do. With the lockdown being on, it is difficult for children to get truly involved in various aspects of what we do, but we do encourage them to talk to their juniors. We will make arrangements for them to be talking to them. We will make arrangements to train them in these leadership posts so that they know what is expected of them. So there is no fixed date for school starting or how it will start, but it will certainly start soon, in a couple of weeks maybe. We are not sure if parents will be comfortable sending their children immediately, or we will call them in staggered timings or staggered numbers. But whatever be it, it is this group that is going to help us design, help us think, help us plan. And I look forward to you, dear parents, helping them, helping us, and making the school stronger than ever before. Because when tough times come, we should not fall. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. And I expect that of each of my children. So a big congratulations to each one of you. Keep working hard, keep doing good things, keep doing the right thing, and may you always be successful in anything you undertake. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your ever motivating words. You can thrive in the face of adversity if you have faith in yourself. You can achieve even the impossible. The Junior School Choir will now present a melodious composition that celebrates self-belief and power of positivity.
पूरब से उगते सूरज की लाली में है हम, और दिन से झुकती हर एक डाली में है हम। पूरब से उगते सूरज की लाली में है हम, और बिन से झुकती हर एक डाली में है हम। नया इतिहास लिखेंगे, गगन तक आस लिखेंगे। नया इतिहास लिखेंगे, गगन तक आस लिखेंगे। Believe in yourself and in your dreams. Though impossible things may seem someday, somehow you will get to the goal you have in view. Mountains fall and seas divide before the one who in his stride takes a hard road day by day, sweeping obstacles away. Believe in yourself. Gama pa maga pa maga, gama dhani gama gaba. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं कि जिसे कर न सके जीवन में। दृढ़ हो जब संकल्प और सत साहस हो जब मन में, हम पर्वत का हृदय चीर नदियाँ निर्झर कर देंगे। प्यासे हर कण कण में हम गहरे सागर भर देंगे। पूरब से उगते सूरज की लाली में है हम, और बिन से झुकती हर एक डाली में है हम। नया इतिहास लिखेंगे, गगन तक आस लिखेंगे। नया इतिहास लिखेंगे, गगन तक आस लिखेंगे। Sweeping obstacles away, believe in yourself. गगन तक आस लिखेंगे, believe in yourself. गगन तक आस लिखेंगे, believe in yourself. गगन तक आस लिखेंगे।
Now we come to the most awaited moment, the moment of glory that will make the hearts of all parents swell with pride. Today, we celebrate leadership imbued with a sense of pride, humility, and above all, service before self. Let's begin with the investiture ceremony. If your actions create a legacy to inspire others to dream and strive, do more. Then you are an excellent leader. Our prefect appointees are committed to discharge their responsibilities with utmost sincerity and dedication. Here we have our prefects.
Anushka Sahu, Nivedita S. Jagrit Dhingra, Raga Sirohi. Sanidhya Saha, Hanya Khanna. Agastya Vats, Ahana Dasgupta. Vanchika Garg, Sushant Chetri. Naira Bajaj, Vishesh Yadav. Nandika Batra, Parab Sabarwal. Harshika Gupta, Jay Aditya Singh. Neonika Paul, Darsh Sharma. Janvi Khaitan, Arjun Dev Juneja. Aditi Chaudhary.
Editing is the most crucial stage of the writing process. Our young editorial appointees are visionaries of tomorrow, who are determined to make a difference. Meet our team of editors.
Advait Sharma, Anirudh Singhal. Aradhya Bhatia, Devang Datta Chaudhary. Naisha Chauhan, Sanjana Patnaik.
The Student Council provides a nesting ground where young leaders are born and groomed to take on the mantle of responsibility with commitment. Here are our head council members.
Akshara Singh Virk, Advait Agarwal. Head girl Jasmine Kaur. Head boy Atharv Shukla.
Parents, we request you to be present with the Student Council team members as they take oath to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by the rules and regulations of the school. It is indeed a defining moment for the entire team of young leaders who we are sure will uphold the values of the school and keep the school flag flying high while discharging their duties honestly and impartially. Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream big, for every dream precedes the goal. We now present before you an action song that motivates us to strive for greatness. The sky is the limit and your star isn't too far.
याद सदा रहती है हर युग की घटना और कहानी। इस युग में लिखेंगे हम अपनी नई कहानी। हम नए भारत की जलती हुई मशाल हैं। इस मशाल से हमें रचना नया इतिहास है। बढ़ रहे हम जिस प्रगति से, भोर की किरणें दे रही हमारा साथ है। ये आभास है, ये आभास है। Deep down in our desireful souls, we were teased with ambitious goals. The incentive of recognition and opportunity put wind in our talented sails. किए खुद से वादे को निभाएंगे, सदैव आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। रोक न सकेंगी साहस को हमारी लाख मजबूरियां, भागेगा दूर अंधेरा देखकर हमारी उपलब्धियां। And today we have got the break to perform on this mythical stage. The first chance-filled spark has ignited, makes our resolutions blazing excited. Grasping our chance with our unique determination, seize the opportunity with grit and pride. Achievement is fulfillment. The more you achieve, the more you bask in the blissful sunshine of life. आसमान से भी ऊंची हैं हमारे हौसलों की बुलंदियां, आसमान से भी ऊंची हैं हमारे हौसलों की बुलंदियां। गिर गिर कर उठना सीखेंगे, हर बाधाएं कहती हैं, प्रतिदिन प्रतिफल प्रगति करें, ये अभिलाषा रहती है, ये अभिलाषा रहती है।
As we come to the end of today's proceedings, we request head boy and head girl of the junior school to propose the vote of thanks.
It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be called upon to propose the vote of thanks for the investiture ceremony of the junior wing of Delhi Public School academic session 2020-21. On behalf of the Student Council, we would like to extend a big thank you to our Director Principal Aditi Ma'am for her care and support. Ma'am, your constant endeavor to bring out the best in us, instilling in us the sense of values like importance of service before self, being grateful, respecting everyone, and seeing the positive side even during this lockdown are so encouraging. We also take this opportunity to thank our dearest Headmistress of the Junior Wing, Lavina Ma'am, our Deputy Dean, Geetu Ma'am, and Senior Mistress, Purnima Ma'am. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but live by them.
We would also like to thank all our dear teachers of the Junior Wing for extending to us all the help we need. Your love, care and teachings that extend above and beyond the textbooks ensure that this is the happiest and the most meaningful period of our lives. Finally, I would like to acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our parents. Where we stand today is the combination of your endeavors and efforts. We pledge that we will uphold the values of our alma mater and keep our school flag flying high.